In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple choice questions in Paperform. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to gather information, multiple choice questions can be an excellent choice. Whether you're creating a survey for customer feedback, a quiz for educational purposes, or just gathering data, you can seamlessly incorporate these into your forms using Paperform. Let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll want to head to your Paperform dashboard. Once there, look for the Create Form button and click on it. You'll have a few options here. You can either choose to start with a blank form if you're looking for a blank canvas to build upon, or you might want to utilize AI assistance for some smart suggestions. Either choice will give you a great starting point for your form. Now that you've got your form in place, it's time to add a question. In the Paperform editor, you'll notice a plus icon, or you might also prefer typing a /a directly into the editor to bring up the list of question types. From this list, go ahead and select multiple choice. This option is specifically useful when you want respondents to choose from a set range of responses, keeping your data consistent and easier to analyze. With our multiple choice question type selected, it's time to type in your question. Let's consider an example question such as, which subscription plan do you prefer? This example can be handy if you're looking to understand customer preferences, but of course, feel free to tailor this to fit your specific needs. Remember, the wording of your question can significantly impact the clarity of your responses, so keep it simple and direct. Next, let's move on to adding the choices themselves. Begin entering your options one by one. For the example we used, you might enter choices like basic, standard, and premium. Paperform allows for flexibility, so you can decide whether you want respondents to select just one option or allow for multiple selections by enabling multiple choice selection. This can be particularly useful if you're seeking comprehensive feedback. Finally, it's always a good idea to preview your work to ensure everything looks just right before sharing it with others. To do this, simply click on View in the top menu, then select Live Form. This will show you a real-time preview of your form, allowing you to interact with it as if you were a respondent. Make sure everything functions smoothly and the design appears as you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully created a multiple choice question in Paperform. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to building engaging and informative forms. Thank you for tuning in, and happy form building.